हॅलो, माझा आवाज येते का?
हो सर, येत आहे.
ओके. स्क्रीन दिसते?
हा, दिसते सर.
Okay, so in a last lecture, we have covered the production economics, production function, goals and objectives of the production economics, and types of production functions. Okay, then before going to start our main syllabus, first we have to clear some basic terminologies in the agriculture production economics. Okay. So the basic terminologies in the production or basic terms in the production economics are, there are the 6 to 7 basic terms in the production economics. The first term, that is the total physical product, or this total physical product, it is otherwise called as the total product, TPP. TPP कशाला म्हणतो आपण? Total physical product or TPP, when the output is measured in the physical terms. Physical terms means, say in a quintals or say in a kg. Suppose the farmer sown a wheat on a 1 acre area and he got the 10 quintals of output. So that 10 quintals of output is called as the total physical product, or it is otherwise called as the total products. So what do you mean by total physical product? So total output measured in the physical terms, say in a quintals or say in a kg, is called TPP or the total product. समजलं का? ह्या टर्मिनॉलॉजी जोपर्यंत तुमच्या क्लिअर होणार नाही तोपर्यंत तुम्हाला पुढे सिलेबस समजणार नाही ऍग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्शन इकॉनॉमिक्सचा. सो फर्स्ट you have to clear this all the basic terminologies in the agriculture production economics, then we can go to the next syllabus. The second terminology, that is the average physical product. Average physical product means, this average physical product is the formula दिलेला. Average physical product is equal to, that is number of unit of the output divided by number of unit of the inputs. Generally in production economics, the output is denoted by Y and input is denoted by X. So it is defined as the ratio of the total product to the quantity of the input used in producing that amount of the product. Suppose the farmer sown the wheat on the 1 acre of the area. For producing the wheat on a 1 acre of the area, suppose the farmer uses the 10 labor, 10 human labor, and he got the 8 quintals of the output. So number of the unit of the output is 8 quintals, and number of unit of the input that the farmers use these labors in, that is 10 labors. Okay, so that time the APP will be number of unit of the output, that is 8. So 8 divided by number of unit of the input, that is farmer use 10 labor. So that 8 divided by 10, that is equal to 0.8. So 0.8 is our average physical product. This average physical product is also called as the APP. APP or average physical product. So APP ची काय डेफिनेशन दिलेली आहे? APP at a particular levels of input is measured by dividing the number of unit of the total product or number of unit of the total output at a particular level by the number of unit of the input applied at the corresponding level. So it is also defined as the ratio of the total product to the quantity of the input used in producing that amount of the product. So APP is a number of unit of the output, that is Y, divided by number of unit of the input X. So it is the ratio between, that is the total product.
Hello sir.
हाँ बोला.
सर
Yes.
इनपुट मध्ये फर्टिलायझर सीड्स वगैरे पण
हा,
येतात तर मग
तर
त्यांची पण म्हणजे ती इंडिव्हिज्युअली घ्यायचं की
individually, generally when we are thinking about the agriculture production economics, मी मागच्या क्लासमध्ये सांगितलं का that function y is equal to function of x. When we are thinking about the single input and output, so that time the production function becomes the y is a function of x. So while calculating the average physical product, we are thinking about the single input and output. Separately we can
ओके सर
calculate the average physical product, no doubt. Okay, so but for calculating the average physical product, we are thinking about the single input and the output. When we are studying this factor relationship, then factor relationship, it is otherwise called as the input relationship. That time we are thinking about the two inputs and outputs. So that time the production functions become the y is equal to function of x1 and x2, but keeping the other inputs are constant. असं नाही का बाकी इनपुट्स यूज होत नाही, पण जेव्हा आपण फॅक्टर रिलेशनशिपचं जेव्हा स्टडी करतो, when study the factor relationship, that means the relationship between the two inputs, say human labor or bullock labor, say human labor and seed, say fertilizer and seed. So that time just we are thinking about the two inputs and output, but keeping other inputs x3, x4, x5 up to xn, these all inputs are held constant. Okay, so average physical product means average physical products, that is the number of unit of the output divided by the number of units of the input. Then the third terminology, that is the marginal physical product. Marginal physical product means that the formula of MPP is given, that is the additional output divided by additional input, or we can say the change in the output divided by the change in the input. The change in the output is denoted by this delta y, and change in input denoted by delta x. So change in y divided by change in x, that is the marginal physical products. So marginal physical product की definition क्या है? It is measured as a change in output which result from the applying an additional unit of the input. When the farmer using the additional units of the input, how much the quantity in the output change. Suppose for producing the 1 acre wheat, or wheat on the 1 acre, the farmer using the 10 human labor. The farmer using the 10 human labor, and he got the 8 quintals of output. For producing more output, suppose the farmer want to produce the 10 quintals of output, obviously he used the more human labor. So instead of using 10 human labor, he used the 15 human labor. First combination काय होता आपला? A combination, when farmer wants to produce the 8 quintals of output, then farmer using the 10 human labor. If the farmer want to produce the more quantity, if the farmer want to produce the 10 quintals of output, then the farmer using the more inputs, that is the, suppose say 15 human labor. So in a combination, 10 quintals of output, farmer using 10 human labor, and in a B combination, for producing 10 quintals of output, farmer using the 15 human labor. The change between this 8 and 10, the change between this 8 and 10 is 2, and the change between this 10 and 15, that is the 5. So this 2 is a change in y, and this 5 is a change in x. Okay, so change y divided by change x, that is 2 divided by 5. So 2 divided by 5, that is equal to 0.4. So 0.4 is our marginal physical product. Understood? Marginal physical product,
येस सर
that is the change in output divided by change in input. How much the quantity of the input change, and due to change in the input, how much the quantity of the output change. Input मध्ये झालेल्या change मुळे output मध्ये किती change होत आहे, that is the marginal physical product. So it is measured as the change in output which result from an applying an additional unit of the input. जर additional unit जर फार्मरनी जर यूज केले, तर additional units यूज केल्यानंतर फार्मरला आउटपुट मध्ये किती चेंज मिळत आहे, किती ऍडिशन होत आहे आउटपुट मध्ये, that measurement is called as the marginal physical product. So the first terminology, that is the total physical product. Total physical product means the output is measured in the physical term, say in a kg or quintal. So it is called as the total physical product or total product. Then average physical product means that it is a simple ratio between the number of unit of the output and number of unit of the input. So y divided by x. APP जर आला तर तुमचं लगेच लक्षात आलं पाहिजे का APP is equal to y divided by x, and MPP, that is the change in output due to the change in input, that is the change in y divided by change in x. Okay, then the next terminology, that is the elasticity of the productions. So elasticity of the production, generally the elasticity is measured in the percentage. Elasticity कशामध्ये measured करतो आपण? Elasticity is measured in the percentage. So it is a measure of the responsiveness of the output to an increase in inputs, or it is also defined as the percentage increase in output as a relation to the percentage increase in input. In MPP, just we are thinking about the how much the quantity of the x change, and due to the change in the x, how much the quantity of the y change. But in elasticity of the production, we are thinking in the percentage, how much the percentage of the x change, and due to the percentage change of the x, how much the percentage of the y change. That is the elasticity of the production. So elasticity of production की definition काय? That is the percentage change in output divided by percentage change in input. इनपुट मध्ये किती पर्सेंटेज नी चेंज झालेला आहे आणि इनपुट मध्ये झालेल्या पर्सेंटेज चेंज मुळे आउटपुट मध्ये किती पर्सेंटेज चेंज झालेला आहे, दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ द प्रोडक्शन. सो इट इज द रिस्पॉन्सिवनेस. Elasticity of the production means it is the measure of the responsiveness of the output to an increase in input, or it is defined as the percentage increase in the output as a result as in relation to the percentage increase in the input. Sometimes in exam you can ask the question, prove the elasticity of the production is equal to MPP divided by APP. आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे का इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ऑफ प्रोडक्शन इज इक्वल टू MPP डिवाइड बाय APP. कसं पद्धतीने. सो व्हॉट इज द formula of elasticity of the production? The elasticity of the production is the percentage change in the output divided by percentage change in the inputs. Suppose we take symbolically this percentage change in the output divided by percentage change in the input. So that time the change in y divided by y into 100. This is the percentage change in the output whole divided by the change in x divided by x into 100. So this is the percentage change in inputs. So this percentage change in output divided by percentage change in the input, याला जर आपण सॉल्व केलं, so elasticity of the production, this 100 get cancel, so that time change in y divided by change in x, change in y divided by change in x. पुढे आणखी नेक्स्ट स्टेप मध्ये जर गेलो आपण, so change in y divided by change in x into x divided by y. समजून आलं का? चेंज इन y divided by change in x जर घेतला आपण, so याला मल्टिप्लाय काय येईल x divided by y. Then next step, this change in y divided by change in x, आणि याला मल्टिप्लिकेशनच्या ठिकाणी आपण जर डिवायडेशन जर घेतला डिवाइड, सो ही काय होईल y divided by x. So here the y divided by x, elasticity of the production, that is equal to change in y divided by change in x whole divided by y divided by x. So this change in y divided by change in x, it is called as the MPP, and this y divided by x, it is called as the APP. So hence it is proved that elasticity of production is equal to MPP divided by APP. हे समजलं का? Elasticity of production is equal to MPP divided by APP. What is meant by elasticity of the production? So elasticity of the production is the measures of responsiveness of output to the increase in input, or it is the percentage increase in output as in relation to the percentage increase in input. Suppose we take the formula of the elasticity of the production, this percentage change in output divided by percentage change in input, or if we take this elasticity of the production symbolically or in mathematically, so this percentage change in output means this change in y divided by y into 100 whole divided by change in x divided by x into 100. In next step, this first in this 100 get cancel, so elasticity of production is equal to change in y divided by y whole divided by change in x divided by x. And next step is change in y divided by change in x multiply by x by y. Then the elasticity of production is equal to change in y divided by change in x as it is, आणि इथं मल्टिप्लिकेशनच्या ठिकाणी काय करायचं आपल्याला, डिवायडेशन. याला जर आपण डिवाइड जर केलं, डिवायडेशन, सो ही व्हॅल्यू काय होईल, चेंज होईल, दॅट इज द y डिवाइड बाय x. So this change in y divided by change in x is called as the MPP, as we discussed earlier. Yes, MPP, that is change in y divided by change in x, that is MPP, and y divided by x, that is equal to APP. So this change in y divided by change in x is called as the MPP, whole divided by y by x means APP. So elasticity of production is equal to MPP divided by APP. So hence it is proved that elasticity of production is equal to MPP divided by APP. Then the next terminology, that is the total value products. So total value product, it is also called as the TVP. TVP means if we calculate the TVP for X inputs, so that time the TPP, total physical product for X, into this price of Y input. So TPP of X into price of Y. This X means inputs, Y means output. So this TPP of X, the number of units of the inputs multiply by the price of output, then we get the total value of product for the this input. So here PY, PY is the price of product. So this output measured in the monetary terms. आपण TPP मध्ये काय पाहिलं होतं, TPP means this output measured in the physical terms. Physical terms means in kg or quintals. And then total value products, जेव्हा येतं तेव्हा काय राहील, आउटपुट मेजर्ड इन द मॉनिटरी टर्म, ज्याच्या पैशाच्या स्वरूपामध्ये जेव्हा आपण त्याला मेजर्ड करतो त्याला म्हणतो आपण टोटल व्हॅल्यू प्रॉडक्ट. सो आउटपुट मेजर्ड इन द मॉनिटरी टर्म इज कॉल्ड एज द टोटल व्हॅल्यू प्रॉडक्ट. If it is from the resource X, then it is denoted by the TVP of X. So TVP of X is equal to TPP of X multiplied by the price of Y. So price of Y, that is the price of output. So price of output into TPP, we get the TVP. Likewise, the average value product, AVP. So average value product means that is, it is the total value product, TVP of X divided by the amount of resource, divided by amount of resource. So AVP is equal to TVP of X divided by X, or we can say that APP into price of Y, we get the AVP, average physical products. That is AVP is equal to TVP of X divided by X, that is APP multiplied by price of Y, we get the AVP, average value product. And then marginal value products. So marginal value product measured in value terms is called as the MEP. When the MPP is measured in the value terms, in the monetary term, MPP in a monetary terms, then that time we get the MEP. So MEP is equal to the change in Y divided by change in X, that is called as the MPP. This MPP multiplied by price of Y, then we get the marginal value of product. MPP means is a physical terminology, the output in the physical term, but MEP means in a monetary term, in rupees. This MPP in kg or quintals, and MEP in rupees, say 1,000, say 2,000, say 10,000. So that is called as the MEP. So MEP, marginal value product, is equal to marginal value product measured in the value terms is called as the MEP. So MEP is equal to change in Y divided by change in X, that is MPP, and MPP multiplied by price of Y, that is we get the MEP. So these are the 7 basic terminologies generally we use in the agriculture production economics, in stages of the production function, in product in factor product relationship, in factor relationship, in product relationship. We have to use this all the terminologies, like this total physical product, average physical product, marginal physical product, elasticity of the production, total value product, average value product, and marginal value product. ओके, इथपर्यंत तुम्हाला काही अडचण असेल तर विचारा. इफ यू हॅव एनी डिफिकल्टी इन बेसिक टर्म्स इन द प्रोडक्शन इकॉनॉमिक्स, आणि याला रीड करा चांगलं. हॅलो, आवाज येते का माझा? हॅलो, हॅलो.
येस सर.
येस सर.
आवाज येत आहे ना?
हो सर.
सांगा
हो
मग.
सर.
व्हॉट इज मीन बाय टीपीपी? व्हॉट इज मीन बाय टीपीपी?
Sir, it is the total output measured in terms of physical terms.
Okay, the total output measured in the physical terms, say in kg or quintal. Then what is mean by APP?
Number of units of output divided by number of units.
Number of unit of output divided by number of unit of input. So that is y divided by x is called as the APP, or it is defined as the ratio of total product to the quantity of input used in producing that amount of the products. Okay, then what do you mean by MPP?
Is the change in output divided by change in input.
Change in output divided by change in input. जसं मी तुम्हाला एक्झाम्पल दिलं का, फॉर प्रोड्युसिंग द 8 क्विंटल्स ऑफ द आउटपुट इफ द फार्मर युझिंग 10 human labor. If the farmer want to produce the more amount of output, say 10 quintal, then he can use the more human labor, say 15 human labor. So the change in 8 and 10, that is 2, and change in 10 and 15, that is 5. So 2, the 2 is the change in output and 5 is the change in input. So 2 divided by 5, that is equal to 0.4. So 0.4 is our MPP, marginal physical product. Then elasticity of production.
Percent change in output divided by percent change in input.
Percentage change in output divided by percentage change in inputs. Okay, so percentage change in output is denoted by this change in y divided by y into 100. Why we are using 100 here? Because it's a percentage change. Okay, and percentage change in input, that is the change in x divided by x into hundreds. Okay, then we have to prove that EP is equal to MPP divided by APP. So we can simultaneously go this step by step, step to step. So first step, that is percentage change in output divided by percentage change in inputs. This denoted by change in y divided by y into 100, and change in x whole divided by change in x divided by x into 100. Next step, 100 get cancelled, so we get the EP is equal to change in y divided by change in x. So EP is equal to change in y divided by change in x into x divided by y. Then after that, the EP is equal to, इथं जर मल्टिप्लिकेशनच्या ठिकाणी आपण जर डिवायडेशन जर वापरलो, so change in y divided by change in x whole divided by y divided by x. So this change in y divided by change in x is called as the MPP, and y divided by x is called as the APP. So hence it is proved that EP is equal to MPP divided by APP. Then next, what do you mean by TVP? Total value product.
Output measure in terms of monetary terms.
Monetary terms means पैशाच्या स्वरूपात. जसं आपण
In
TPP
rupees.
पाहिलं, in rupees. So TPP पाहिलं होतं. TPP generally we measure this output in a physical terms, that is called as the TPP. But when we are thinking about the value, so total value product, so if the output is measured in the monetary terms, it is called as the TVP or TVP. Suppose this TVP is from the resource X. So that time this TVP of X is equal to TPP of X into the price of output or price of the product. Then AVP, average value product. Average value product. Hello.
Value product divided by amount of resource.
Total, it's a total value product divided by the amount of resources. So total value product of X is AVP is equal to TVP of X divided by X. X is the amount of resource. Suppose X is that resource, and TVP, total value of product, it is from the resource X. So AVP is equal to TVP of X divided by X, or APP into price of output, that is also equal to AVP. Then marginal value product, MEP. So MEP is equal to, that is MPP, that is the marginal product in a physical terms multiplied by the price of output. So MPP multiplied by price of output, that is equal to MEP. इथपर्यंत समजलं का? टर्मिनॉलॉजी समजलं का? बेसिक टर्म्स इन ऍग्रिकल्चर प्रोडक्शन इकॉनॉमिक्स. बऱ्याचदा तुम्हाला एक्झाम मध्ये विचारला जाऊ शकतं. इथपर्यंत काही अडचण आहे का? ओके, 10 मिनिटानंतर आणखी या सेम लिंकवर तुम्ही जॉईन व्हा. आपण पुढला टॉपिक घेऊ. आफ्टर 10 minutes, join on the same link. Okay.